There's a time for everything in life, and now's the time you deserve the best. It's a 2009 Audi A5. All-wheel drive comes standard along with 18-inch alloy wheels, leather seats, automatic climate control, and satellite radio. The powerful V6 cylinder configuration will command the road at every turn. Standard safety features include multiple airbags, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, electronic stability control, and a tire pressure monitor. You and your front seat passenger will enjoy the 8-way power seats and one-touch power windows. The universal remote transmitter will allow you to program your home garage door, security system, and more. What's not to love about this car? This A5 gives its competitors a run for their money when it comes to design and comfort, fit and finish. Stop in today and see it for yourself. It's a 2009 Audi A5. Open the door to find one of the best interiors offered today. It includes a number of intelligent storage solutions, including water bottle storage and seat-back storage nets, a pre-collision safety system, tire pressure monitoring, and dusk-sensing headlamps are all features that make each drive safe for you and your passengers. With its combination of speed, style, luxury, and appeal, you're bound to fall in love with this A5. We invite you to come out today and take it for a test drive.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.